Never give up because great things take time. Never give up because great things take time. Hi everyone, this is fourth part of direct and indirect speech. Friends, first of all, I would like to tell something. Some of the students requested me I have to explain these things in Hindi as well, because some of the students they are not able to understand whole concept in English. So I got requested I am supposed to explain in Hindi as well. I'm really sorry for that things, friend, because usually I teach in English, so it is tough to convert. So I try कि I could understand and I could explain it in Hindi as well. Friends, the reason behind making these videos is I could explain the one of the toughest topics of the competitive exam. But if you are not able to understand, so there is no use of making these videos. So friends, uh, I think there is no use of my efforts. So I explain and I will try कि I could explain these things in Hindi as well. So friends, let's start the topic. First, present indefinite or simple past. Friends, here I am not going to explain about tense because I have explained it in my previous video. If you didn't watch, you may watch there. Here I am going to solve some examples regarding these tenses. First example of present indefinite is Tom said, comma, inverted comma start, I want to play football. Friends, while converting indirect, comma and inverted comma will be removed. That will be placed in place of comma and inverted comma. So now I becomes a he, right? I becomes he because I is a first person. So it change according to subject of the reporting verb. Reporting verb subject is Tom. Tom is a masculine gender, so here he will be come. So friends, next, while converting present to past, main verbs become first form of main verbs become second form of the main verb. So next remaining part is same. In Hindi, friends, I am going to explain in Hindi as well. जब हम प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट का को पास्ट प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट का इनडायरेक्ट में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो वो पास्ट इंडेफिनिट में कन्वर्ट होता है. तो इनडायरेक्ट में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमें जो कॉमा है और इन्वर्टेड कॉमा है उसको रिमूव करके उसकी इस जगह पर हमें दैट पुट करना होता है. दैट एक कंजक्शन है. और जब हम प्रेजेंट का पास्ट बनाते हैं फ्रेंड, सिर्फ एक चीज़ होता है कि जो मेन वर्ब होती है वो अपने सेकंड फॉर्म में आती है. तो यहाँ पर वांट है वो अपने फर्स्ट फॉर्म में है और जब पास्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो उसका सेकंड फॉर्म आता है. तो वांट का सेकंड फॉर्म होता है वांटेड. सिंपल. और रिमेनिंग जो पार्ट है रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स विल रिमेन सेम. फ्रेंड्स, बस इतना ही है. जब वाइल कन्वर्टिंग डायरेक्ट इनटू इनडायरेक्ट तो रिमूव हमको वी हैव टू रिमूव कॉमा एंड इन्वर्टेड कॉमा एंड पुट that in the place of comma and inverted comma, the subject of the reported speech converts according to subject of the reporting verb. Here reporting verb is a masculine gender, so here and we will use he. So why we are putting he? Because we are putting he because of I, or I is a pronoun. Friends, I is a pronoun, so that's why here we are putting a pronoun. And Tom is a masculine gender, that's why we are using he. If there is feminine gender, so we have to put here she. I hope you have understand. And or while converting present to past, we have to put second part of the main verb and remaining part, rest of the part remain same. I hope you have understand. Let's go second example. Tom said, comma, inverted comma start, I like reading books. Right? This is direct speech of present indefinite. So while converting indirect, we have to convert it in past indefinite. So again same rule we have to apply here. Tom said, we have to remove comma and inverted comma, put that in the place of comma and inverted comma. Again friend, I converts into he. I explained earlier, I converts he. Okay, I explain again. uh, because I is a pronoun, so he is also pronoun, so I is a first person, and it converts according to subject of the reporting verb. The subject of reporting verb is Tom, and Tom is a masculine gender. That's why here we have to put he, because he is a pronoun of the masculine gender. Guys, why we are putting a why are we putting here he? Because here is pronoun, so that's why we are supposed to put pronoun here. So again, like is a uh, main verb of the tense. So converting into past, we have to second form of the main verb, and rest of the part remain same. I hope you have understand friend. So I think this is all for today, and in next video we are going to learn second tense, and I hope guys you could understand, and all the best. Be happy, keep smiling, never give up. Thank you so much.